Hello everyone. Happy afternoon to all. Okay, some of the children, they are showing their homeworks. Very good, Nana, very good. How many of you watched the video? Please raise your hands, ma. Raise your hands. How many of you watched the yesterday's video? If you watch the video, you will get better understanding. Okay, please on your videos, Nina. Okay, shall we play one game? Small activity. Are you ready to do that? You can show thumbs up. Yes, everyone is ready to play. Super. And Varshit, Sri Sai Nandan, please on your video, Nana. Okay. Sit properly, everyone. Check your position. Sit erect. Good. When I say mouth, okay. When I say mouth, you clap 1, 2 like this. Okay. 1, 2. When I say mouth, when I say stomach, you can snap like this. Snap, snap. Okay. Are you ready? Did you understand? Once again, I am repeating this. Are you not ready, Bhuvan? When I say mouth, you clap 1, 2 like this. 1, 2. Okay. When I say stomach, you can snap like this. Are you ready? Everyone, be active, be active. Super. Okay. Mouth. Mouth. Stomach. Mouth. Stomach. Mouth. Stomach. 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 Mouth. Stomach. Mouth. Stomach. Mouth. 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 Stomach. Stomach. Simra, sit properly, beta. Okay, very good. Excellent and excellent. Enough. So now I am giving claps to everyone. You did well. Superb, superb. Very good. Anas, please on your video, Nana. Those who have on their videos, you will get the chance to answer. Okay. Okay. Yesterday we have already learned about what is an organ, what is an organ system, and different organ systems, what is digestion, why do we need food. These are the terms we did yesterday. We learned yesterday. Am I correct? Did you learn? Okay. And today we are going to learn, the topic is, what are the organs of the digestive system? What is our chapter? The digestive system. Sanket, Srivardhan and Kandit. You are charting. You look at the class learner. Look at the teacher. Okay, please be concentrate. Okay, let's study about the organs of the digestive system. Now I wanted to share the screen, beta. Everyone, please be ready and don't turn off your videos. Okay. Monitor teacher or observing you. If you turn off your videos, teacher will call you. So that is not good thing. So please on your videos. Okay. Are you ready? Now I am going to share the screen. Listen the class carefully, Nana. After completion of the screen share, I will ask the questions to you. Okay. Welcome to our class, grade 5, science. Are you all looking any screen? You show thumbs up. Okay, superb, Nana Fatima. Good, good. So chapter 1. What is the chapter 1? The digestive system. Today we are going to learn, the topic is organs of the digestive system. What are the organs are there in the digestive system? Let's learn about it. Mouth, esophagus, or this is called food pipe. Food pipe has another name that is called esophagus. Okay. Liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, anus. These are the organs of the digestive system. Now I wanted to show one by one what are the organs of the digestive system. Okay. The digestion process begins from the mouth. How can we eat the food? With our mouth. So that digestion process starts in the mouth. So this is the mouth. So what is the first organ of the digestive system? Mouth. Are you getting my points? Next, when we eat the food, that food goes to that esophagus. Another name is food pipe. When we eat the food, that will goes into that food pipe. This is the second organ of the digestive system. What is the another name of food pipe? Esophagus. This is the spelling of esophagus, Nina. O-E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S. Okay. Next. Did you recognize what is the organ? It is stomach. Stomach is one of the organ of the digestive system. Small intestine. This is the small intestine beta. This is also one of the organ of the digestive system. Large intestine. These are the organs of the digestive system. And other than that organs, some of other organs are there. They can play very important role. Okay, what are the other important organs in the digestive system is liver. Have you seen this liver in your real life? Those who can eat veg, non-veg, they know very well liver, about liver. Maybe they can eat in that chicken and mutton. Liver part, they can eat. Okay, this is the liver part. Did you recognize? Have you seen? This is the liver part. You can ask to your mothers. Okay. Otherwise, you can check in that when they bring non-veg to home. This is the liver part. Next, pancreas. This is the pancreas. These two, liver and pancreas, these are very important in the digestive system. Okay, you can see here, what are the organs of the digestive system? Mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. These are the organs of the digestive system. These organs helps in digestion of the food broken down into simpler form. మనం తీసుకునే ఫుడ్ ని డైజెస్ట్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, మనం కాంప్లెక్స్ ఫామ్ లో ఫుడ్ ని తీసుకుంటాం కదా, అది సింపుల్ ఫామ్ లోకి మార్చడానికి ఈ ఆర్గాన్స్ అనేవి హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి. ఆ ప్రాసెస్ ఏమంటున్నాం? దట్ ప్రాసెస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డైజెషన్. ఓకే, విచ్ ఆర్గాన్స్ ఆర్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ డైజెషన్? మౌత్, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and liver, pancreas also helps in digestion. Okay. Now this is the homework part. You can take the screenshot beta. Now we will discuss about it. What is the homework? Complete the flow chart of the digestive system. You can take the screenshot, everyone. After that, I will ask the questions. I will clarify your doubts also. Please take the screenshot. This is the flow chart, Nina. You can complete the flow chart. What are the organs of the digestive system? What are the organs are there in the digestive system? Mouth. Already I have given some of the chances, some of the options here. But you can just fill what are the other organs in the blanks. Okay. Mouth. Next, food pipe or esophagus. What is the next one? Stomach. Next, small intestine. After that, large intestine. Last, anus. And I already told what are the two other important organs helps in digestion? Liver and pancreas. Okay, these are the two organs helps in digestion. This is about the homework, Nana. Did you understand what is the homework? You can draw the boxes like this in your notebook and you can fill that organs. If you wanted to paste the pictures, you can paste it. No teacher, we can't, we just write the words. If you say like that, you can just write the words in the blanks. Okay? Okay, shall I stop the screen share now? If anyone not taken screenshot, please you can take the screenshot beta. Okay, then. Okay, 6 participants raised hands, Nina. I understood. I think you have some of the doubts. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Fatima, how many of you understand the topic, Nana? Today topic. What are the organs are there in the digestive system? How many of you understand? Please, you can chart in the chart box, beta. Chart in the chart box. Everyone. Okay. Are you ready to answer me? Understand, teacher. I have doubt. Trishikesh has doubt. Okay, Trishi. Now I wanted to unmute you, Nana. You can ask your doubt. Okay. After that, I will give chance to. Today, I will give chance to Deepak also. Yesterday, I missed some children. So maybe they are disappointing. Today, I want to give them. Rishi, you wait, Nana. Definitely, I will give chance to you. Jahnavi, unmute yourself, beta. Jahnavi. Kirtan. Speak out, and already yes. I unmuted you.
Teacher, what is the question, teacher?
Do you want to know the question? What are the organs of the digestive system, beta?
Stomach, liver.
You should say in order. Order.
Stomach.
Directly, digestion process starts from stomach or mouth?
Mouth.
Mouth.
Stomach. Stomach.
From mouth to stomach, one connection is there. One pipe will connect it to mouth to stomach. What is the connection? What is the pipe name is called?
Food pipe.
Yes, very good.
Food pipe, teacher.
Tell me, Nana, you should say in order. Everyone should say in order, okay? When I ask the question, you should be in proper manner, you should say the answer. Tell me, Nana, Kirtan. You are saying correct, but you should be saying order.
Stomach, liver, small intestine, and large intestine.
Okay. Are the organs of the
Digestive system.
superb, Nana. Very good, my dear. Good. Next, Virat Jetty.
Foot pipe has another name.
Tell me, Nana, what are the organs of the digestive system? Virat.
Teacher, question ఏంటి?
What are the organs of the digestive system? ఇప్పటివరకు నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా కొన్ని ఆర్గాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టమ్ లో అని. ఆర్గాన్స్ ఏంటో చెప్పు. What are the organs of the digestive system? నువ్వు స్క్రీన్ మీద ఇప్పటివరకు చూసి ఉంటావు కదా కొన్ని ఆర్గాన్స్ చూపించాను. ఆ ఆర్గాన్స్ లో నీకు ఏవి గుర్తున్నాయి అవి చెప్పు. ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ.
టీచర్, స్టమక్.
Okay. How can you eat the food, beta? How can you eat the food? Please, can you show me? How can you eat the food?
Mouth.
Very good. You should start with mouth. Mouth.
Food pipe.
Food pipe.
Small intestine.
How Virat is saying. Stomach.
Intestine.
Small intestine. Large intestine. After that, it will be goes to that anus. Okay. Superb, Nana. Very good, Nana. Very good, Virat. Next. Please mute yourself, Nana. Then I want to do unmute Devi Priya. Nana, Devi Priya. Okay. Naga Malleshwari. Unmute yourself, beta. Are you not getting?
Ma'am, you are unmuting me, ma'am.
To whom? Niharika?
Malleshwari.
Yeah, I'm asking Nagmaleshwari. Tell me, Nana, what are the organs of the digestive system?
Mouth.
Okay.
Mouth. Food pipe or esophagus. Stomach.
Very good.
Small intestine. Large intestine.
Okay.
Anus.
Anus. Very good, Nana. Very good. Superb, superb. Next.
Thank you, teacher.
Fatima. Please mute yourself, beta. Fatima. She is the new girl to our class. So now I want to give chance to her. Fatima. Tell me, beta.
Teacher.
What are the organs of the digestive system?
Mouth. Mouth.
Mouth.
Food pipe.
Food pipe.
Stomach.
Stomach.
Small intestine.
Very good.
And large intestine.
Large intestine. Anus.
Anus.
Okay. Yeah, Kirtan is asking, teacher, they are not telling liver and pancreas. You should say that also because they can play very important role. Okay. Very good, Nana. Fatima. Super. Very good, beta. Well tried. Okay. Good. Mute yourself, Nana. Next, I want, okay, Trishi has doubt, so we will clarify his doubt first. Trishi, unmute yourself, Nana. What is your doubt? Please tell me.
హలో టీచర్, మీరు ఇప్పుడు హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, అది నోట్బుక్ లో రాయాలా లేకపోతే?
You should write in your notebook, Nana. What are the homeworks I am giving to you? You should write in your notebook with pencil. Okay. Now, how you are saying? When I ask the question like that, you should write that flow chart like that manner only. Okay. Organs of the
Okay,
digestive
teacher.
system: mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and other two organs also there, liver and pancreas. Okay.
Liver.
If you have pictures, if pictures are available with you, you can paste it in that place instead of that. Otherwise, you can write it. Okay, that is the homework beta, and draw the diagram of digestive system also. Very good. Next, now I am going to ask the question to Latif, Sheikh Abdul Latif Ahmad Munnaf. You didn't change the name. If you change the name, I will ask the question to you. Otherwise, I can't ask.
Yes.
You can change your name first. Otherwise, I can't ask. Anas, please unmute yourself, Nana. Tell me, beta. On your video, Nana. Anas. What are the organs of the digestive system? Did you understand anything? Digestive system lo organs ento నీకు అర్థమైందా? Tell me. Are you in mute? Okay, wait. Okay, sorry, Nana. Tell me now. Anas. Are you not getting?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, beta, what are the organs of the digestive system?
Liver.
You should be saying in a proper manner, order. In order, you should say. On your video, Nana. How can you take the food? Which organ helps to take the food, Nana? Already your friends told that. Okay, now I'm going to Anas, if you wanted to tell, you can tell me, Nana. Otherwise, I will go for other. Vaishnavi. Sai Krishna. Vaishnavi. Where is Vaishnavi? Yeah, Vaishnavi. Unmute yourself, Nana.
Teacher.
Yeah, tell me, beta, Vaishnavi. What are the organs of the digestive system?
Stomach. Liver.
They should, okay, what is the digestion process starts from? Begins from. Digestion process ekkada start avutundi? How to take the food?
Mouth.
You should say from mouth. Mouth?
Yes.
Next?
Food pipe.
Food pipe.
Food pipe.
What next?
Stomach, small intestine. Stomach or small intestine.
I think someone helping you. Didn't you listen the class? Are you taking someone help? What do you know you should say? Tell me.
Last year sister. Last year sister.
Okay, but you should try, Nana. What do you know? You should tell that. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, Anas. Other than these, pancreas and liver also. Okay. Well tried, Nana. Well tried. Next.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, wait.
What?
Please mute yourself, Nana. Now I want to go to ask who's there? Devi Priya. Unmute yourself, Nana. Devi.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, beta, what are the organs of the digestive system?
Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, purchase, liver.
Pancreas, not purchase, it is pancreas. That is also one of the organ in the digestive system. Very good, Nana, very good. Super. Please mute yourself, Nana. Next. Misbah. Sorry, I didn't ask Deepak. Deepak. Unmute yourself, Nana. Deepak. Did you unmute?
Teacher.
Tell me, Nana, what are the organs of the digestive system?
Mouth,
Mouth,
stomach, liver,
food pipe. You are missing food pipe.
food pipe,
Hmm.
intestine, and
Then please off your video. ఒకసారి నీ వీడియో ఆఫ్ చేసుకొని మాట్లాడినా బికాస్ యువర్ వాయిస్ ఇస్ స్ట్రక్డ్. Tell me now.
mouth,
Mouth. Food pipe.
and food pipe.
Okay, Nana, your voice is.
Large intestine.
Small intestine, that is small intestine, large intestine. Okay, Nana, time up. Already 2:50. Did you understand what is the homework? And you read the page number 7 and 8. Okay, you can complete this homework. What is the homework I have given? The flow chart of homework. And you should do that as well as you read the topic also. Okay, and watch the video also. Okay, Nana, sorry. And I didn't ask some of the children, Spurti, Sri Sai Nandan, like that. Asrar, yes, they raised their hands. Tomorrow, definitely, I will give chance to you, Nana. You don't feel bad, okay? Okay, say bye, everyone. Thank you. Have a great day, Ma.
Bye, teacher.
Keep smiling. Bye.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.